Meaning of hoedown.
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 Hoedown. A hoedown is a lively, informal party or dance typically featuring country music and square dancing. The term originated in America and is often associated with rural areas and farming communities. During a hoedown, participants typically wear casual clothing and dance to the music played by a live band. The atmosphere is often jovial and festive, with people of all ages joining in on the fun. Overall, a hoedown is a celebration of American culture and tradition, offering a unique and exciting experience for those who attend.